A man is dead following a motor vehicle crash along the Horton Main Road in St. Elizabeth Friday night. The dead man has been identified as Anthony Dias of Rocky Hill in the parish. According to reports, about 11:15, Mr. Dias was driving from Magotty when he lost control of the vehicle, which crashed into a tree. The vehicle burst into flames on impact. Mr. Dias, who was trapped inside, died at the scene. 2 passengers were pulled from the vehicle by residents. They were admitted to hospital in serious condition. Now it's reported that speeding may have played a role.
I hear car fire from way down the road there come so. I take come out to get a proper little look by me couldn't just see car, I see full tilt in the tree. By the time if you come out and get a little fire the tree and couple man throw dirt and things on and try to take out the people them, but after that we are here see our next morning night, but by the time if the circle come back out the boss fire start lift up more. The man have to jeep off, but really after the flames you find out say somebody did really live in the picture.